Hello everyone, my name is Vera and today we will be going through EarnPark legal docs in detail. EarnPark upholds transparency and security with comprehensive policies that meet global and local regulations. The company's funds come from limited partners' contribution under the user agreement, which is signed upon registration and first deposit. You can access and download the user agreement directly from your account or the website footer. This is a rather lengthy document, so let me just summarize its essence. By signing this agreement, you become a partner of EarnPark and a co-founder of EarnPark Platform LLP. The first thing to pay attention to here is the purpose of the partnership: to conduct business activities in the fields of IT, asset management, and investing. To accomplish this, the parties desire to join together in the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland LLP, registered under and pursuant to the LLP Act 2000 as amended from time to time. Some other key points covered in the agreement are: first, the partnership begins on the date of signing the agreement and continues until it is terminated either by mutual consent or in accordance with the provisions of the agreement. The managing partner has the authority to make decisions regarding the management and operations of the partnership. Partners contribute capital to the partnership, which is utilized to implement the company's investment strategies. Profits are distributed among partners in proportion to their contributions. The partnership commits to maintaining accurate financial records and conducting regular audits to ensure transparency. The agreement is governed by the laws of the United Kingdom and providing legal protection for all parties involved. Now, let's discuss the terms of use for the platform. This one is also signed by each user when they register on the platform and make the first deposit. You can also access it and download it directly from your account or the website footer. If users disagree with any of the mentioned documents, they have to immediately stop using the platform. Both documents, the user agreement and the terms of use, are crucial for regulating the relationship between the company and its users, clients. The user agreement focuses on the management of the partnership, capital contribution, profit distribution, ensuring transparency and compliance with legal norms within the partnership. The terms of use document regulates legal aspects, user registration, account and platform access, terms of service, prohibited activities, security, user data protection, intellectual property, changes to the contract, as well as a suspension or a complete or partial termination of access to the platform. In the second section, we encounter the first restriction. Using the services of the platform and acquiring the status of a partner user is not available to citizens of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. By registering as a user, you confirm that you are not a citizen of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. This restriction is only temporary because operating within the UK would impose additional administrative and accounting obligations for the company, and at this time we have decided to focus our resources and attention on improving the platform. The following documents are accepted by users after registration and accepting the terms of use: the risk statement, privacy policy, and cookie policy. These documents are available for review on the website until the completion of the procedure for registering as a user and creating an account. So the risk disclosure outlines the risks associated with using the EarnPark digital platform for investing in digital assets. It is an integral part of the platform's terms of use, and it's forming a legally binding agreement between the company and the user. It helps users understand and assess the potential risks involved in their investments. So, key points to note about the document. First, the company does not guarantee the stated returns in the future. The profits mentioned earlier are based on the average results of previous periods. Returns are always associated with the risk. We do not claim risk-free returns, but we strive to minimize risks through strategic management. Risk transfer. Users can consider that they're transferring risks to the company, betting that our team will manage them better than the average investor. So avoid those who claim that returns are risk-free or fail to mention the risks at all, because only invest an amount that you're willing to lose. Next, we got privacy policy, which governs the collection, use, and disclosure of information obtained from and about users when they visit and use the website. The privacy policy is also an integral part of EarnPark's terms of use and helps users understand how their data is collected, processed, and protected. The policy outlines the types of information the company may request and receive, such as full name, email address, etc., for identification, providing services, and conducting transactions with digital currencies. This policy ensures that users' personal data is protected and used solely for service provision. In accordance with GDPR, users have the right to access their data, correct it, delete it, restrict processing, and object to processing. The policy helps the company comply with data protection laws and minimize the risk of legal consequences. We use cookies to enhance the functionality of the website, analyze user behavior, and personalize content. Detailed rules for cookie usage are outlined in the cookie policy. This is standard practice for internet products as required by user data protection laws and other internet regulations. Back to the terms of use. This document also refers to the user agreement. In section 3, you can find the conditions under which you become an EarnPark partner. First, take a look at paragraph 3.3. When the user deposits funds into their account on the platform in the amount of at least $0.01, the user acquires the status of a partner. This occurs after confirmation of the payment, successful completion of the verification of the account, and the conclusion of the partnership agreement with the company. The user can obtain a copy of their agreement with the company by sending a request through the personal account. The company has not established the maximum possible amount of the partner's contribution to participation in the platform's project. The most important points explain the rights of EarnPark users and partners. 3.5. A partner can attract new users using a referral link or code and receive remuneration according to the company's marketing plan. 3.6. A user can withdraw funds from their account, including profit and initial payment. 3.7. Withdrawal of funds is possible only by the user to their own details. Anonymous transactions are prohibited. Now, let's discuss user access to the platform. You should pay attention to point 4.2, which states that having multiple accounts is prohibited. One user can only have one account on our platform. So please be careful, do not create new accounts. Next, let's talk about security. So the EarnPark team works daily to improve security, but it is impossible to foresee everything, especially user actions. So here we can only rely on your discretion. Remember, there is no guarantee of complete security against unauthorized access or identity theft. The company takes reasonable steps to protect data, but cannot guarantee the security of all transmissions and systems. If unauthorized access is detected, the company will notify the user, who must immediately change credentials and take other steps. Then there are items about notification and personal data, and let's just talk about what's important to know here. First of all, read the notifications we sent you. They are important. Sometimes it's promotional information that helps you better understand product features and make more profit, and other times it's important platform updates. And if you miss them, the EarnPark team can be held responsible, so we count on your attentiveness. For our part, we guarantee timely and transparent information. In the section about personal data, besides the standard clauses about their protection, pay attention to clause 8.4. If you provide false data, the company has a right to suspend or close your account and pass the information to law enforcement authorities. So please carefully check the data you enter during registration and KYC to avoid problems. Now, eventually, we come to the final third of the document. So changes to the agreement are possible because reality constantly changes and our team must adapt. So keep a close eye on messages from the EarnPark team. We will notify you if anything changes in our agreement with you. EarnPark provides a secure and regulated platform for crypto income. So understand your rights, follow the guidelines, and maximize the earnings confidently. So thank you everyone for choosing EarnPark. Happy investing and thank you for watching this video.